Mr. Chair, after the cash division releases the check to the special disbursing officer, we already have no participation on the encashment or handling
So
of the
ibig
cash.
sabihin, Mr. Chair, pagkakuha ng pera sa Land Bank ng 125 million, 4 na beses, hindi siya bumabalik sa office ni Vice President.
Mr. Chair, I do not have information on whether bumabalik siya po or hindi.
So hindi siya napupunta sa opisina. Kasi 4 na beses ito, Mr. Chair, Madam Resource Person nangyari. Tsaka ang laki kasi ng amount eh. Ilang kahon po yun?
Yes, Mr. Chair, as mentioned earlier, hindi ko na po nakikita yung pag-encash and pag-handle ng
So
cash.
maybe, Mr. Chair, we can ask the Land Bank Manager. Ma'am, ilang boxes po yun?
Doon po sa amount ng for the OBP, 2 box po siya ng BSP box.
2 box siya ng BSP box. So ibig sabihin,
Point of clarification. Sorry, I've never seen a BSP box. How big is that box?
Malaki po siya, Mr. Chair, pero pag kinash out po namin siya kay client, hindi na po siya nakabox. They put it in bag. In our lang.
Mr. Chair, can we request the resource person to
Yeah.
speak close to the microphone? So hindi na siya nakabox. Saan po, ma'am?
Linalagay po ni client dun sa kanyang sariling bag. May dala po silang bag.
Sorry, may I just interject? Anong bag po ito? Duffel bag? Eco bag? Ano pong bag?
Congressman Pamela Zafra.
Very curious lang ako. Kasi ang laki nung amount na pinag-uusapan. So anong, maleta po ba?
As I remember po, malalaki siyang parang gym bag.
Duffel bag.
Duffel bag.
Ah,
Ang isang duffel bag po, ilan po ang kasya doon?
hindi ko po ma-remember yung kung ilan yung, kasi parang hinati-hati po nila.
Ilang duffel bag po yun?
Hindi
if you
ko,
could recall.
more or less po, mga nasa 3 to 4 duffel bags.
3 to 4.
Ay, duffel bags, parang gym bag po, not duffel bags.
Parang gym bag
Opo,
na malaki.
na malalaki
Kasi kung
po.
3 to 4 sa 125, so more or less mga 25 to 30 million na kada isa. Tama po ba?
Probably, Mr. Chair.
Chair, mag-interject lang. Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Jojo.
Sa kay manager, sure kayo na hindi nag-request for delivery? Considering yung amount niya at saka 4 times na may withdrawal at syempre once na nag-abiso sa bangko, the following day ang withdrawal nito supposedly, di ba? So, parang unusual naman na pipick upin nila sa bangko yung actual na withdrawal. Di ba, pagka ganitong extent ng withdrawal, usually, no? Kasi galing din ako ng bangko, ma'am. Dine-deliver yung mga ganitong kalalaking amount.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair, since nabanggit ko kanina na wala naman po kaming memorandum of agreement as to the cash delivery.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes, Congressman.
Can we inquire
Garin.
from other resource person if indeed a memorandum of agreement is needed when you use the, what do you call that? The special vehicle. Armored vehicle.
Miss Camposano. Ma'am, before I recognize you, the chair would like to recognize Senior Deputy Speaker, Don Gonzales. Yes, please continue.
Yes, Madam Chair. A memorandum of agreement is needed for us the day to deliver the cash to our client.
In this case, did you not suggest or recommend to the agencies concerned that the cash be delivered by your armored vehicle, considering that this is cold cash and you are in Metro Manila where there is traffic And those traffic stops can actually put the danger of our DepEd and OVP officials in jeopardy. Kasi ang dali-dali lang yan, may mag-text lang, ayan o, naglalabas ng pera, unless marami ang nag-secure sa OVP at sa DepEd para ilabas yung cash na ito. Or the next question is, saan ito nilalagay? Kasi syempre, ang laking pera, kunyari 125 million cash, bibit-bitin mo pa uwi sa opisina. Gaano po kalaki ang office ni Ma'am Gina Acosta? Maybe we can ask.
Representative from OVP. Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It's just a small office, Mr. Chair, and it's shared with other staff.
So, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, no? Tama naman po na yung accountable is Miss Gina Acosta because she's the payee of the check. However, that's taxpayers' money. That's still pera ng sambayan ng Pilipino na inintrust sa OVP at sa DepEd. And our good, distinguished resource person here, Attorney Sanchez, tama no? I'm not sure, Mr. Chair, I'm not a lawyer, but is it not that they will also be accountable because they are aware that a 125 million cash check will be encashed, brought back in cold cash, stored in the office that is shared. So I think accountability does not stop with Ms. Acosta. Accountability also includes those in the finance and cash division kasi alam nila, unang-una, kapag ikaw ay nasa gobyerno, you have to make sure na yung cash na nasa office nyo ay tama-tama lang para hindi hold upin yung mga empleyado doon. Pangalawa, it's a shared office. Pangatlo, it's a huge amount. May I ask, Mr. Chair, ma'am, bakit po, instead of 125 million cash, 4 na beses, ba't di nyo na lang ginawang 10 million, 15 million, lower, para yung risk hindi malaki? Kasi di ba nasa opisina nyo nakatago ang pera? Bakit po?
Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I would just like to clarify that I do not know if kung saan po nakatago yung pera. So, I'm not aware kung sa opisina
So you
po
are not
nakatago.
sure na from the bank, tinediretso sa office?
Yes, Mr. Chair. And then, in terms of the amount...
Mr. Chair, sorry to cut you on that, ha? Ma'am, kayo ang nagpaparelease, kayo ang nag-i-issue ng cheque. I-encash. Malaking amount. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na chine-check na napupunta sa opisina nyo? Next question, Mr. Chair. Is there a possibility that it is being brought by Gina Acosta to her house?
Mr. Chair, again, I do not have personal knowledge
Is it
on-
possible?
Mr. Chair, for possibility, I would agree that there is possibility, Your Honor.
In this case, Mr. Chair, ma'am, pasensya na po. Pero you are in charge of the coffers of the OVP. You would release a check of 125 million, not once, not twice, not thrice, but 4 times, and cash it totally, and then pinapabayaan nyo na lang, kung inuwi yan at tinakbo ng tao.
Mr. Chair, under the joint circular, it is the responsibility of the Special Disbursing Officer to safekeep the fund. So it is also for that reason that there is a bond for the Special Disbursing Officer. And as to the amount that was asked earlier, we just relied on the amount of the disbursement voucher that was submitted to the accounting division for the release of the checks, Mr. Chair.
Yeah.